Good evening, Rutgers. This is Michael Lugo here on Tuesday, September 4th, 2018, to give you your evening forecast. Before we talk about tonight, let's talk about today. We had a low temperature of 70 degrees early this morning with a high temperature all the way up at 95 degrees. If we take a look at our record temperatures, 98 degrees set in 1929, which means we almost tied our record for this time of the year, which just goes to show how hot this week and this summer has been. Unfortunately, we didn't get very close to our record set back in 1908 of 42 degrees. And if we look at our averages to reinforce that statement of just how hot it's been, we were 10 degrees above our average low and 14 degrees above our average high. Now moving on to our headlines, as I mentioned before, we had near record-breaking temperatures earlier through today. That's part of a heat wave that will be continuing on through the rest of this week, but we will have showers and thunderstorms return through next week. That'll be bringing those temperatures finally down, hopefully down for the rest of the season. Now, if we look over the past 3 hours, we haven't seen much in terms of precipitation, but what we are watching is a cold front moving in from the west that's actually producing heavy rain and some strong thunderstorms. There's actually a tornado watch currently instated in Wisconsin, so definitely keep an eye on that. We can actually take a look at the the futurecast, to see just when that may arrive. Now, if we look at around midday Wednesday, we do have some spotty showers, not a part of that cold front, so definitely keep that in mind. But the big thing is for Thursday. Early Thursday evening, we're expecting those thunderstorms to move through our area, possibly bring some severe weather for us here in New Brunswick. So definitely stay on top of that here at RUTV with the weather watches, because although the RPM model is showing that there are thunderstorms here, we don't know how severe they are yet. So definitely stay on top of that. Now, as for tonight, if you look at the temperatures, the low temperatures for the rest of the state of New Jersey, as I mentioned before, 73 degrees here in New Brunswick, 75 in Camden, 73 down in Wildwood, and a cool spot of 67 degrees up in Sussex. If you take a look at the greater Northeast, we can see that we also have some other temperatures a little bit cooler, 68 degrees up in Ithaca, 63 degrees in Oneonta, and 65 degrees in Mount Pocono. So definitely a little bit cooler away from the coast. Now, if we look overnight tonight, we can see at around 10 p.m. we'll be seeing mostly clear skies all the way throughout the night. Temperatures dipping down as the night continues, as we get closer to the morning. 81 degrees, 78 degrees, and 74 degrees for your overnight. Now, if we look ahead at the morning, we can see 81 degrees actually for our 10 a.m., which just goes to show how hot it's going to be out for the rest of the day today. Maintaining those mostly clear skies and not a lot of wind, which means it's probably going to feel even hotter than it should be, with a southeast wind at 3 miles per hour. Now, if we take a look at the 7-day, as I mentioned before, we are expecting rain possibilities for the next 7 days entirely. Chances of thunderstorms almost every single day with the exception of Sunday. And as you notice, you could see as the week continues, 89 degrees, 93, 81, 75. So those temperatures are going to be coming down to a lot more moderate temperatures, and those lows all the way down in the 60s. So it should be feeling a little bit better, although we will have some spotty showers and thunderstorms. You can check us out every 15 minutes on channel 23.1 through RUTV. You can follow us on Facebook at facebook.com/RUWeatherWatcher. You can follow us on Twitter at RUTVWW using the hashtag RUWeather. And if you just can't get enough of us, come to our website, weatherwatcher.rutgers.edu. I'm Michael Lugo. Have a great evening, Rutgers.